Hey, hello everybody. As soon as I fix one thing, something else comes up to fix again. So the Winch Lewmar 30, the second action, it was jammed, it wasn't working. So I took it apart. And then I found out the clips down on the bottom on the second gear that they're inside here. Right, see, right in there, they broke. So I don't know where I'm gonna find the parts. Maybe I have to order them from Canada. So I have to find out so I can repair it. Lewmar 30. Fortunately, I got lucky and I found in my spare 2 pawls with the springs. So they were used. I don't remember where I got them, but anyways, I got them spare. So I'm gonna put it back together. So this one is gonna go right in there. This is the lower one. So I'm just gonna compress the stuff a little bit right there so they can fall in its place. There it is. So now this one is done. So I have to take it and put it back into the spot right there. And I have to put the pin right here into the position. So you see the pin has this flat here, so it has to go inside. So let me see. So it went right on the place all the way down. So you can see it's moving. So next I'm going to put the bushing right here. The 2 bearings. Finally, the main spool. Now on the top there is the 2 pawls, so I'm gonna push them in so that it will fall in place. There it is. And then the final plate on the top, and then the locking, whatever you call that, I don't know what you call it, but it locks the spool in position. And that's it. If you do that in reverse, you'll be able to take it apart. So when I put it together, the second action wasn't working, only working one way, and then I took it apart again. So what I found out, this is the original part. You see right here. And when it's just a little smaller here at the edge. Everything else was the same. So I have to file this here down a bit. So hopefully I can get them exactly. You can see the difference right there. So when I file, I'll put it back together and let you know. So with the vice grip, I just position them as you see there, and then I'm going to file it right here with a grinder. I just put a grinder sander because you don't want to take too much. So I filed them down a bit with a grinder, and I'm going to put the other gear, so we're going to see if it spins both ways. So it does. Okay, good stuff. So I'm going to put it back together and test it. And here's the moment of truth. So you see now it's working both ways. There it is. Well, I'm glad I was able to fix it. Cheers, everybody.